All right, all kinds of excitement on the Pix Plaza right now.
Yeah, tens of thousands of people are expected to descend on East Hanover, New Jersey this weekend. Why? Because you alluded to the fact of what's happening in Pix Plaza.
Yeah, listen to that. There's a marching band out there, and
who's in the middle of it?
Yeah, really.
Dan?
Here we go. It's right, the Hanover Park High School Parade marching band here. They are going to be kicking things off on Sunday for that Columbus Day Parade, by the way, the 9th annual Morris County Parade. We got Lisa Marie Latino here to talk more about it. So what do we got going on here? 9th annual.
9th annual. We have so much going on. With you leading it off, I'm here to officially crown you our Grand Marshal this year. So excited about that. The whole thing is being honored to the late actor James Gandolfini. Right. Obviously, great Jersey guy, great Italian guy, so we're really excited about that. Bittersweetly excited. NYPD's own Larry DePrimo, the humanitarian who bought the homeless man a pair of shoes right in Times Square. Yeah, he's one of our honorees. So it's just going to be a great weekend all around.
Hey, we were afraid of rain, but no rain on my parade. It's going to be a beautiful day. Lots of people expected to come on down.
Yes, and Linda Church says Sunday. Beautiful, right?
Beautiful day.
Yeah, so we're really excited.
Hey, talk about what the parade and how many bands are included and what happens at the end of it.
Oh, yeah, we have bands from all over New Jersey that are participating. At the end of the parade at Lurker Park, there's a big Italian festival with food and rides and games and a lot of fun.
I mean, Italians know how to do one thing.
Yeah, we know how to eat.
That is a mangia. Speaking of mangia, Tony Mazza, we got the Italian police here with us. Hey, buongiorno, ciao, bello.
Ciao. Hi, how are you?
Hey, what's going on, guys? You excited to be here?
Yeah.
We are very excited.
You got in late last night. You know, just so you know, I was in Rome for when the Pope was crowned. I just want to say, you guys were fantastic back then. You guys really allowed us to go right in the middle of everything, so thank you. Grazie.
Grazie.
Hey, now that you're here in New York City, I want to know what's your favorite Italian food?
Italian food for pasta, pizza.
Yeah. Pizza. Hey, can I get a little ciao bellas?
Ciao, bello.
There we go. Hey, so it kicks off at 2 p.m.
2 p.m., yep, right along Ridgedale Avenue in East Hanover.
What are you waiting for? Can I get this on or what?
Yeah,
there we go.
How do I, is that how you do it?
Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to be practicing my wave. I was doing one of these a few times. The band is going to be kicking things off for us that day. And while right behind them, I'm going to be teaching myself how to wave, do one of these. These guys playing nothing else than Don't Stop Believin' in honor of the last scene from The Sopranos with James Gandolfini.